10 years ago, our journey of animal rescue had just begun. We were just about to meet someone who would change our lives forever.
ये देखें इधर, ये किडनी सेंटर के सामने एक डॉग बहुत बुरी हालत में पड़ा हुआ है बेचारा।
I am about to share a story that changed our lives and hopefully might inspire yours. It's a story of love, courage, and determination. A story that started with our unshakable bond with animals. Out of all the animals we have helped, there is one who holds a special place in our hearts. Let me tell you about Sohni. We received a call about a stray dog, a heavily pregnant bitch who was severely sick and unable to walk. The caller said she is in critical condition and the time was running out. Her wounds were deep and she was in unbearable pain.
तो ये कोई है नेक दिल बंदे हैं, इन्होंने हमें इतला दी है कॉल करके कि ये बेचारा, इसका शायद एक्सीडेंट हुआ है और ये 2 दिन से इसी हाल में बेचारा।
She was lying in the dirt, horrifically injured, unable to stand.
कितना एक दिन,
एक हफ्ते से ऊपर हो गई।
एक हफ्ता हो गया है?
जी, इसको तकरीबन 8-10 दिन हो गए।
ओहो,
ये किडनी सेंटर में
ये देखिए आप,
लगा है। किसी कार वाले ने नीचे इसको देकर वो चला गया तो इसको फिर उन्होंने फेंक दिया था रोड।
ये देखें, ये कोई कार इसको मार के गई है
मैडम, ये भी है
और कितनी बेदर्दी से इसको ये लोग यहाँ पर फेंक के चले गए हैं। तो आप लोग प्लीज़ एक तो ड्राइव करते हुए थोड़ा ध्यान किया करें कि आगे कोई जानवर है या क्या है, और दूसरा अगर चले हिट हो भी गया है तो उसके बाद इनकी हेल्प तो करें।
Her frail body was anemic and weak, yet her eyes pleaded for help.
एनीवे हम लोग इसको लेकर जा रहे हैं अभी अपने शेल्टर में। आप लोगों से यही मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि प्लीज़ एटलीस्ट हमारी सपोर्ट तो करें, कुछ डोनेशन दे दिया करें कि इन बेचारों की जो इलाज मुआवजा पे कम से कम खर्च करने के लिए आप लोग कुछ दे दिया करें कि हमारी हेल्प हो जाए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
We couldn't leave her alone. We knew we had to act fast.
Sohni is in the clinic now with Dr. Tariq, PWD.
The vet confirmed she was in critical condition. She needed immediate treatment for her injuries and anemia. It was race against time to save her life and the life of the little ones she was carrying. Since she was pregnant, we couldn't leave her back on the streets. We brought her home to give her the care and safety she desperately needed. Day by day, we watched her fighting for her life, regaining strength. After weeks of care, something amazing happened. It was if she knew she had a reason to keep going. And then, 1 month later, the moment we'd all been waiting for gave birth to 10 beautiful, healthy puppies. It was nothing short of a miracle. The puppies filled our home with joy and chaos. We made it our mission to find them loving homes. One by one, each of them was adopted by kind, caring families. By then, Sohni had become a part of our family. than just a rescued dog. She's our guardian, she's our companion, and she's our source of unconditional love.
Look at me, Sohni.
Sohni's story is just one of many. Every animal we've held has a unique story, and each one reminds us why we do what we do. If there is one thing I've learned from this journey, it's that small actions can create big changes. You don't need a lot to make a difference. You just need compassion and the courage to act. If you love animals and want to help, there are so many ways to get involved. Volunteer with an animal rescue organization, donate if you can help, or simply adopt a stray and give them a home. For me, every wagging tail, every happy bark is worth all the struggle. If you believe in this mission, come and join us. Let's give every stray animal a chance to heal, a chance to love and to be loved. Because every life matters.